This is my love. Name is Boricat. I love birds. I hope you love birds too. It's economical. It saves going to heaven. The bird who dares to fall is the bird who learns to fly. Birds teach a great life lesson. All you have to do is to listen to their song. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. A bird sitting in a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. Always believe in yourself. Birds learn how to fly, never knowing where the flight will take them. I always wonder why birds choose to stay in the same place when they can fly anywhere on earth. Birds sing even after the storm. Bird never wants a cage. God gives every bird its food, but He does not throw it into its nest. I am very happy being me, although sometimes I'd love to be a bird so that I could fly. Faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. The reason birds can fly and we can't is simply because they have perfect faith. For to have faith is to have wings. This is wonderful bird. Sacrifice yourself to abandon family values. My heart in its journey to the Lord. Majestic is he, is like that of a bird. Love is its head, and fear and hope are its two wings. When the head and two wings are sound, the bird flies gracefully. If the head is severe, the bird dies. If the bird loses one of its wings, it then becomes a target for every hunter or predator. The relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever.
Uh-oh.